Warning, this video may contain foul language, crude humor, and is meant for an adult audience. Please be advised. Hello and welcome to another edition of War Journal Toys. I am Jason, your toy vigilante, here to be your forward observer in your toy hunting missions. Let's debrief. So today we are showcasing, I collect on card, Latin carded, Central America, South America, Mexico. These have been coming up for sale at, and so I collect this version where it says He-Man and the Masters of the Universe instead of just Masters of the Universe, because these are harder to get, and I like to collect rare stuff, especially if I collect on card. So the American version, I did a video like 3 months ago. I believe I might have been the first person on YouTube to do an open box review of this Origins Stridor, but I'm not gonna toot my own horn because I could be wrong. But so I wanted to showcase this version. I got this version from a gentleman in Panama, and he is on eBay. If you collect the Latin carded versions, either look up Masters of the Universe keyword Latin, or just don't use the word keyword, but just Masters of the Universe Latin, and his stuff will come up. He's also, his username is, if you look up seller semicolon thealanshop, you can find him there also. But if you look up Masters of the Universe Spanish, you'll get some other sellers that sell these also, but they're a lot more expensive. So go check them out, the Allen Shop. So I picked this up, got this yesterday from Panama in really good shape. I asked him to put it in a little bit bigger box, because if the box gets crushed and it's a tight box, it crushes the sides or whatever of the box. And sure enough, the box did get slightly crushed. Not crazy, but not enough to affect this. But if this was tightly fit in there, it would have messed this up. So, but want to showcase this because I collect these. But I Googled this, and this is definitely Portuguese, guys. It says connect the lasers, and then Google said that this meant, and I'm not going to swear because it's Google and they're not perfect, that arrest the projectiles. So attach the lasers, arrest the projectiles. The English version says attach blast effects. So in here it's same thing, retro play, and so forth. Well, actually, I think it is, yeah, retro play. And then that one up there is the modern posing, I believe. So, but just wanted to show you guys this because some of not everything was made with a Latin card. Wave 5 of the figures didn't turn up in a Latin card. So, just want to showcase this, guys. No big deal. If you're not interested, click off. I'll see you later. But show you this great card artwork. There's no written stuff in the back to highlight or deviate from the picture, so it's really nice. The only one, it's like this is the warrior heroes, and then it's the bad guy warriors. But there's no description like on the English one, here, and here. And then they don't call out the names of which characters these are like the English ones. But everything's the same inside as the regular one. This is just the Latin carded version. So it didn't come in super perfect. There was a little dent right there, and a little bit there and there. See if I got that in the shot. And then a little there, but the plastic window is all perfect. The back card is good and taut. It didn't get crushed up here on the corners. So I'm happy. Maybe I'll get these graded someday. We'll see. Money isn't easy to come by, and fucking gas is expensive as fuck. So there's the Latin carded really quickly. I can show you the English or United States version, because this new for 2022. Make sure that's in the shot. Get rid of the glare. Fucking thing. No glare, no glare. So the new for 22, like I said, it says Masters of the Universe and then Stridor, but the Heroic Armored Warhorse is not on the Latin version. And then attach blast effects, the retro play. Spin it around real quick. The sides are pretty much the same. On the Latin card, it says He-Man and the Masters of the Universe here, and Stridor, but no description. So now you got a description here. Then you got a description of what's happening here and here. So, and then of course these look bigger. I believe, yeah, they're a little bit big. They're the same size proportion wise as the two packages go. So pull him out. I'll highlight the one that came in. So there's the Latin carded version again. Get rid of that freaking nasty glare. Okay. So I got one that was open. This is the one that I got early and did a first video on. But you can take a look at him if you're one of my Latin viewers, or you haven't seen this yet. He's fully articulated on his legs. He doesn't just have one pose, or his feet can move. His knees can move, which is badass. His feet can move. Of course, a nice ass shot there. The tail moves. The gun moves. Front guns, you got the reins and the bit here. This is the original little helmet that he comes with an armored version that covers the nose and stuff, but I'm not really into that. But then you got Fisto there taking a ride. So, but yeah, he's totally cool. His head does turn and move around. Doesn't stay in the same position. So it'd be hard to... Now there, he does move up and down and stay in position, but left and right, not really. So, wanted to show you guys this Latin carded version of Stridor from He-Man and the Masters of the Universe. I'm Jason. This is War Journal Toys. If you like my content, please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.